So I noticed that there are a lot of people that's getting into making these 3D sublimation t-shirt, whether it's a side business, whether this is something that you want to do personally on your own, whatever. And there's nothing really out there showing you all like the basics. And when I mean the basics, I mean going down to the nitty gritty, explaining like Etsy and so forth. So that's what this video is for. We're going to be diving into Etsy, and I'm going to be showing you all different things in which people are selling on Etsy. Some of the good things, the bad things, not even bad, but stuff that may not be useful to you. I do know that a lot of people, you can go on Etsy, you can go on Facebook, you can go on Instagram, you can go on TikTok, you can go YouTube, go on everywhere, and just be stuck in a loophole because you're just getting and consuming information that's not serving you any purpose at the moment. Like, it's a good start. But anyways, that's what this video is for. Next video that I'll be uploading will be showing you all how to design literally from scratch. I know I have plenty of videos out there, but I feel like the video that I just recorded, the one that I recorded explaining it, it goes into more depth. So we'll start with this. This design is a Photoshop design. It's literally right here in the title, Photoshop PSD for sublimation, instant download all over print. So if you download this, this will be a Photoshop file that will be sent to you so that you can go in here, you can edit and change the pictures, change the girl, you should be able to change the word and so forth. So that's what this is. You can't use this design in Canva. This is the t-shirt guide. This person is selling it. This is what I was just telling y'all about. If you want to purchase from her. This over here to the right, these are all over t-shirt template bundle. Canva edible t-shirt sublimation design. Drag and drop. Now, if you purchase this, purchase at your own risk. Let's read the description. So it says all over t-shirt Canva edible template. You will receive access link, Canva download, how it works. Download the PDF file after your payment. Save your file copy. What if I don't? Where to print? Home printer download and PDF select. Local copy store, for example. Photos like this, y'all. This is honestly you just dragging and dropping your design on here into the shirt. And if you were to try to use this outline, if you were trying to use this template after you print your shirt, you might get a little bit frustrated because of the fact that I can look at this right now and tell that the shoulder part, like if your measurements and things are not together, then unfortunately this is not going to be a really good purchase. Now, I'm not knocking nobody that purchase these things or who sells them. But as y'all can see, people literally sell the same exact things on this app. But if you don't know what you're doing, then yeah. So we're gonna keep going. This one, somebody is selling the sublimation ready all over shirt. This guide as well. Again, they selling it for $4. It's the same thing as this one right here. All right, so let's keep going. Now this right here, this is one custom digital design, personalized 3D all over shirt order. So I don't know, all over graduation. So I'm assuming that you get in all of these, or are they custom digital design tailored to your preference? Please contact me before making a purchase. This list stands for a digital file. No physical product will be shipped. You will receive one PNG or JPEG file. So this person will, I guess, do your designs for you. That's a nice little business if that's something that you're getting into. All right, so this right here, this is 8-11 memory Canva edible all over t-shirt template memorial shirt bundle. Rest in peace funeral shirt, perfect for sublimation. So you get 8 different designs, and yeah, very nice. Okay, so this is why you are stuck because you'll come to these websites like Etsy and all of the other ones, and y'all see it's a lot of information on here. Everything is just thrown at you. But if you don't know what it is that you're actually looking for, if you don't know what it is that you're trying to design or whatnot, you're going to be stuck in a loop. So it is recommended that when you come on these websites that you know, kind of have an idea of what you're looking for. Previously, when you used to go on Etsy, you can type in memorial sublimation all over t-shirt template and it will pull up just simply memorial stuff. Let me show y'all that what I'm referring to. So I'm gonna type in memorial. I'm gonna do search. Okay, so this is what we get for memorial. So what I mean by, like, previously you can type in, you see how I put sublimation shirt all over template memorial, and as y'all can see I'm scrolling and they giving me this mega bundle. This is center print. These over here is center print, which is fine, cool and dandy, but this isn't all over. So let's keep going. Oop. These people right here, they are selling 80 templates. That's insane. 80 templates for $2.66, and y'all be stuck on trying to design from scratch. Like, y'all better start using these templates. But okay, we're gonna keep going. So y'all see that we still have in our search memorial, and if I keep scrolling, I'm getting 200 plus sublimation designs. Center print, all over. So again, y'all, here go graduation stuff. Crazy. This is nice, but it's not all over. So you're getting stuck and you're in a loop. That's why when you come on these websites, you have to know what it is that you're looking for. So this is do I want to stop there? Okay. So all right. So this is our part 1 on our sublimation journey. It's your one-stop shop. Come here to learn and not be in a loop trying to figure out, like, do you come here to learn and not be bombarded with a whole bunch of information. So this is part 1. I'm going to go ahead and record part 2.